Sweet, luscious persimmons. Are they always as good and completely safe as we think? This video will clarify 3 important things about persimmons for you. First, we'll uncover the unexpected health benefits persimmons offer. Second, and this is an extremely important part, we'll discuss who absolutely should not eat persimmons, along with life-saving tips for enjoying them correctly. Third, we'll share secrets for choosing and storing fresh, delicious, true-to-flavor persimmons. Are you ready to unveil the whole truth about persimmons? Let's find out right now. Number 1. Persimmons protect cardiovascular health and prevent atherosclerosis. Worried about atherosclerosis, heart disease, or stroke? These are serious health concerns. Good news from Hebrew University in Israel. 1 persimmon a day can help effectively prevent these conditions. Persimmons are considered the king of fruits for heart health, more effective than apples in preventing hardening of the arteries, helping to keep arteries healthy and supporting stable blood pressure. Adding 1 persimmon to your daily diet is a simple way to proactively care for your heart. Try it and feel the difference. Number 2. Persimmons supplement iodine, beneficial for the thyroid. Did you know that goiter caused by iodine deficiency can significantly affect our health and even our appearance? Persimmons are a wonderful natural source of iodine. Iodine is an essential micronutrient that helps the thyroid gland produce hormones, regulating many important functions in the body. Iodine deficiency can lead to thyroid problems, including goiter. By regularly eating persimmons, you're helping your body naturally supplement the necessary iodine, thereby supporting the prevention of thyroid disorders caused by this micronutrient deficiency. Add persimmons to your diet to keep your thyroid healthy. Number 3. Persimmons help reduce coughs and soothe the throat. Do persistent coughs or chronic bronchitis leave you feeling tired and uncomfortable? Persimmons might be a natural solution for you. According to traditional medicine, as recorded in the Compendium of Materia Medica, persimmons have astringent properties and a sweet taste, helping to soothe the throat and effectively reduce coughs, making them very good for the lungs. Clinical research reports also show that persimmons benefit those with conditions like chronic bronchitis, helping to alleviate symptoms. When your throat feels unwell or you have a cough, try a ripe persimmon to feel some relief. Number 4. Persimmons offer natural hemostatic support. Bleeding due to hemorrhoids or certain digestive tract issues can cause considerable trouble and anxiety. Persimmons, with records from traditional medicine, are known for their ability to support hemostasis, stopping bleeding. The Compendium of Materia Medica also mentioned this effect. The natural astringent properties of persimmons can contribute to constricting small blood vessels, thereby helping to reduce bleeding in certain cases like bleeding hemorrhoids. Although this is a supportive natural method, you should still consult a healthcare professional for serious health problems. Number 5. Persimmons help relax the nerves for a more pleasant feeling. Does modern life, with its many pressures, often leave you feeling stressed and finding it hard to achieve mental relaxation? There's an interesting thing about persimmons you might not know. They have a supportive effect in calming the nervous system. Clinical research reports have noted this ability of persimmons concerning the central nervous system. This means enjoying a sweet persimmon not only brings gustatory pleasure, but can also help you feel more relaxed and at ease naturally. Try to experience the gentle peace that persimmons can bring. Number 6. Persimmons clear heat and help reduce tinnitus attributed to internal heat. Sudden tinnitus or hearing loss in older adults causing discomfort. According to traditional medicine, the cause might be heat in the liver and kidneys. Persimmons can have a cooling effect, thereby improving tinnitus from an Eastern medicine perspective. This is a useful folk experience. However, for hearing issues, visiting a doctor for an accurate diagnosis is still the priority. Consider persimmons as an additional natural support. Persimmons have so many useful benefits, don't they, folks? However, to enjoy persimmons safely and choose the best ones, we need to understand a few important notes. Let's find out right away. 1. First, No matter how delicious persimmons are, you shouldn't eat too many at once. It's best to eat no more than 200 grams of persimmon at a time. Persimmons contain a lot of tannins, which have astringent properties. Eating too much not only makes your mouth feel astringent and numb, but tannins also stimulate intestinal contractions, reduce intestinal secretions, decrease digestive function, and lead to dry stools. More importantly, the tannic acid in persimmons can form compounds with minerals like calcium, zinc, magnesium, and iron in food that our bodies cannot absorb. So, eating too many persimmons can easily lead to a deficiency of these minerals. 2. An extremely important note is to absolutely not eat persimmons on an empty stomach. Because persimmons contain a lot of tannic acid and pectin, when your stomach is empty, they will form lumps of various sizes under the action of stomach acid. If these lumps cannot pass through the small intestine, they will be retained in the stomach and form gastric stones, bezoars. These persimmon stones may initially be as small as apricot pits, but will grow larger. If persimmon stones cannot be eliminated naturally, they will cause gastrointestinal obstruction, leading to symptoms such as severe upper abdominal pain, vomiting, and even vomiting blood. Very dangerous, isn't it? 3. Remember not to eat persimmon skin. Most of the tannins in persimmons are concentrated in the skin, so tannins cannot be completely removed even when persimmons have been processed to remove astringency. If you eat persimmons with the skin, the risk of forming gastric stones is higher, especially when the astringency removal process is not perfect and the persimmon skin still contains a lot of tannins. And of course, unripe persimmons cannot be eaten either. Green persimmons contain significantly more tannic acid. The content can be up to 25%, while ripe persimmons only contain 1%. 4. When eating persimmons, you need to avoid combining them with certain foods such as fish, shrimp, crab, or milk. The tannic acid in persimmons, if it encounters these protein-rich foods, will cause them to coagulate into lumps and accumulate in the stomach and intestines, leading to symptoms like abdominal pain, diarrhea, and vomiting. Furthermore, in terms of food properties, both persimmons and crab are considered cooling foods and should not be eaten together. 5. People with chronic gastritis, indigestion, and other gastric motility disorders, or those who have had partial gastrectomy, should not eat persimmons. The tannic acid in persimmons can worsen stomach discomfort. People with diabetes should also not eat persimmons, as persimmons contain 10.8% sugar, mostly easily absorbed disaccharides and monosaccharides, which will increase blood sugar levels. Additionally, people with iron deficiency anemia should not eat persimmons, because the tannic acid in persimmons combines with iron and hinders the body's absorption of iron from food. 6. A small but important thing is that you should rinse your mouth immediately after eating persimmons. Persimmons have a high sugar and pectin content. After eating, some small particles will remain in the mouth, especially between the teeth. Combined with weakly acidic tannic acid, it can easily erode teeth and form cavities. Oh, and another note. Drinking white wine with persimmons can cause chest tightness, and eating sweet potatoes with persimmons can cause kidney stones. 7. To choose delicious persimmons, pay attention. If buying firm persimmons, choose those that are orange-yellow, with a smooth, shiny, and unbruised surface. When buying soft persimmons, you should choose yellow ones with a smooth and plump surface. Firm ripe persimmons can be stored naturally for 2 to 5 months. After they soften, they can be eaten. Persimmons that have been specially treated to remove astringency should not be stored for a long time. It's best to keep them in the refrigerator for only 3 to 5 days. If you happen to buy persimmons that are still a bit astringent, a simple folk tip to remove the astringency is to soak them in lime water. This will make the persimmons sweeter and easier to eat. Wonderful! Persimmons are truly a fantastic autumn gift, good for the heart, the thyroid, and for helping the mind relax. But remember, don't eat persimmons when you're hungry, don't eat the skin. And if you have digestive issues or diabetes, you should be mindful. Do you have a special way of enjoying persimmons? Or do you know of any other autumn fruits that are good for your health? Share with us below. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel to discover more useful things. Wishing you always find joy in health and simple things.